Creating part designs with custom artistic work can really allow you to take your CNC machining to the next level, but working with artistic elements in CAD design isn't always the easiest. That's why BobCAD-CAM has developed the new BobART artistic add-on to transform your artistic imagination into a manufacturing reality. And now you can even get this popular add-on as part of your BobCAM for SOLIDWORKS product line. In the world of CNC machining, you often need to work with client files, and you don't always have control over these file types and whether it will be a file that you can work with. With BobART, you're able to work with a huge variety of file types, including your standard image files such as JPEG, PNG, EPS, and many others. You're even able to take a hand-drawn image, scan it, import it, and work with that file. The software uses 64 different color levels to separate an image file into a sketch that you can use for standalone parts or as component pieces for other models. With some jobs, you may just need an easy way to apply a logo onto a flat or 3D surface. No problem. For other jobs, you may want to add a completely unique and custom touch. Simply take a 2D design, import it into the BobART add-on, and use the embossing tools to create beautiful 3D components. Then take those components or multiple artistic components and apply them to a completely separate model. You can even take an embossed component and wrap it to a 3D model. This is an amazingly effective way to get truly creative results in a variety of industries, such as jewelry designing, custom woodworking, and many others. The V-carving functionality can give your parts that clean, chiseled finish, which is perfect for custom woodworking and sign makers that need to work with fonts and other intricate details. There's also a tool set to add a range of surface textures and finishes to give your parts an authentic look and feel to match your design's theme. We've also added and included an emboss from image feature that allows you to create instant relief models from image files so that you can obtain truly remarkable results. The BobART features include work on screen with text, raster to vector image conversions, embossing and wrapping, relief models directly from images, texturing, sculpting, and smoothing, emboss from components, V-carving, and much more. With BobART, you can truly be as creative as you want to be. It can give your business the creative edge you're looking for to take your machining to the next level. Try the BobART add-on today when you download the latest BobCAM for SOLIDWORKS demo, available now at bobcad.com.